I can't believe it's happened to you.
Shirt of now I know the dirty hello, 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 with the lights out, with my stained dress, here we are now, entertain us. Haven't you been contagious? Here we are now, entertain us. It's alright to tell me what you think about me. I won't try to argue. I'm all set against you. I know that you leave me. You have that the reason, the season. It's over. You've been good. We're falling down. Hey, I'm in the trace, sad look on your face, the timing and structure that you hear, deflection, the daily reflection, the writing, the report, what is it, invading, whatever, that'll have to watch again. You got to understand someone understand. Thanks to the master plan, but everybody's gone. I did it for too long. This is not my life. This is growing up. In up. Hey baby, see you in the movie, sing for you, you show up and walk by on the yard of that guy, and I'll smile and you wait to replay. I'll laugh, and you go, I won't come back, and I'll have the ones again. I'll turn to a friend, someone that understands. Thanks to the master plan, everybody's gone.